So this is the first time that I have recorded this type of video or even going to attempt to try and do this type of video. I have come from a background of social media. I built my fashion business up to be turning over 8 figures and successfully sold 2 years ago. And I can straight away jump into the pitch and let you know all that stuff. But in my new business, which has made it, I have for the last 2 months been stuck. Well, let's say 3 months because it was a month of planning and research, but I have been stuck in a YouTube rabbit hole trying to build out this channel and really knowing that what I do and what I am able to share is of benefit to the handmade artisans who are out there wanting to grow their business. But I've been inspired by a woman called Jen Navaro. If you haven't watched her, haven't checked her out, go check her out because she's amazing. But she put up this really, I guess, authentic and vulnerable and straight up video, really kind of admitting and sharing her journey with YouTube and what it looked like. And to say it's really hard. Like, we have an incredible social media following. We've got huge following on Instagram. And when I say huge, we've got 34,000. And Facebook, we've got 60,000. Pinterest, we've got 35,000. So we're ticking all of the boxes, right? But this journey for me on YouTube has been so humbling, and I just had the realization this morning that I think the reason why it's happening as well is because a big part of us at Made It being able to really share with you tools and tips and tricks for selling online, that part of it really needs to come from that authentic journey where we're also going on that journey. So if you're out there and you're finding social media inconsistent, and whether that's you and how often you post or what it is that you're doing, or even just being able to try and watch and see what's happening in the rhythm and the patterns of social media, oh my goodness, I can so relate. At the time of recording this video, we have a whopping 85 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Now, that is despite the fact that we have over 800 artisans on the platform. But whether or not I'm not landing with the content, or whether it's not what you're wanting to hear about. Maybe you'd like insights about things that I haven't actually covered yet. Now, I know it's early days, and I know that, it requires a real commitment, especially with YouTube, to be able to grow the channel. But I just thought it was interesting that the timing came up for me to see Jen's video, to connect with her content, and then to feel inspired to actually go, hey, would it be more helpful if I actually shared the real honesty about what it looks like trying to build out that social media? Now, I'm pretty much full-time content creation at the moment. My role as the owner of Made It, very proud owner of Made It, is to really lead the ship, and that involves, the strategy that's involved in the email marketing, the technical aspects of the platform, but also as well ensuring that we're building a really supportive and amazing community. And thank goodness I have a team with me doing that as well. Sue, Stacey, Beck, you're all incredible. But yeah, I'm in this all the time, and I'm also finding it tricky. Even with what we're doing with, I guess, on Instagram and on Facebook, which are our main channels, it's really inconsistent for us to be able to actually even track and work out, well, what is the content that's working? What is that sweet spot that's really working in order for us to grow those channels, to reach more artists, to help more artists, and to put your beautiful handmade creations in front of customers who also love handmade. And so that's what I'm doing all the time. And yet there's so many things that I'm excited to share with you, so many tips and tricks that I know that you'll find really beneficial. But on the flip side, I just felt really called today to do a video that was just straight up honest. It's a conversation with you to say, I feel your pain, and if you're feeling like this is such hard work and what's it all for with social media, just hang in there and let's go on this journey together. You're not alone in the world of creation, especially when it comes to your handmade artisan business. If you're part of the Made It Collective, you'll know that through hopefully being part of the Facebook group as well. But if you're out there as well and you're a handmade artisan and you're not part of Made It, I'm so glad you're here. Like, welcome, and let's connect. Pop down in the comments. Please share a link with me to your website or to your channel. I'd love to see what you're doing as well. But yeah, let's build this thing together. Let's be okay with saying it's not perfect. Let's be okay with saying it feels really hard today. Let's be okay with saying, I swear it's that eclipse that is messing with me, and that is the reason. Because I know firsthand what can be created when we do show up and we continue to show up. And this week I was speaking at an event, and one of the speakers, Chris Edwards, who owns Launchpad and also Honeycombers, incredible woman, and she's just based down in Byron Bay, so close to me. And she was talking about the fact that she'd built out her publications, online publications, and she'd built them at a time when the internet wasn't even really proven at that point. But her and two of her friends came up with this concept to have this essentially online guide for those that were visiting Singapore, and to make it really easy. But she shared the stats. And what I found so interesting, thank you, universe, because you always deliver exactly what I need to hear on exactly the right day. But it was like she showed the graph of the growth that she had. And for, I think it was about 6 years, it was almost like just petering, like just like this, just above the bare minimum that she needed to have to run the platform. And I'm not talking about like from a monetary aspect. I'm actually talking about from a traffic aspect, because she's that online print, I guess, online editorial. And the traffic and the numbers are all what actually drives the platform. But it was just such a good reminder, because I know that what I'm sharing, well, I hope that what I'm sharing is of benefit to you. And if you're here and you're watching this, I'm going to take that as hopefully a yes. But if there's something particular that you would love for me to share with you, if there's things that I can share with you to make your journey online easier, let's do this. Let's make it happen. I'm so committed to building Made It to be the incredible platform that it already is. But, that exponential growth is really going to make us a household name as well, so that we can connect with all those handmade, lovers of handmade out there, right? Who are looking for those really unique and beautiful artisan gifts, and to connect with you as the artist to say, hey, how do we put handmade in the spotlight? And how do we really celebrate the magic that is in handmade? Actually, I just wanted to really share with you quickly is our core beliefs at Made It, because I was working on a strategy for the next 90 day sprint that I'm working on. Actually, it's not in that book. Let me go grab it. I'm back. I'm not even using the proper lapel mic and everything today. I was like, no, just hold on to it. See if holding the mic actually feels more natural, and we can have a proper conversation. But anyway, our core values and beliefs. And when I was writing them up today, I love writing. My brain gets activated when I actually have pen to paper rather than on the computer. And these are just so beautiful, and they just made me so excited about what we're doing, and reminded me why what we're doing is so awesome as well. But here they are. First one, there's magic in handmade. Second one, creative businesses can thrive and be profitable. Number 3, you are your business. This journey of growth is within you. It's within us. We're on that journey as well. And then the fourth one is stronger together. When we succeed collectively, it's like that's the thing. That's the win. It's not about individuals. But I think that when we're building this beautiful artisan community and collective, it's about us succeeding together. And that's the exciting bit. And then the last one is stay curious and forever learning and evolving. And that's our superpower. And I hope it's yours too. And I'm guessing if you're here and you're watching this, then it probably is. But so look, that's it. It's me. It's nice to finally meet you properly. I know that I can easily jump into video mode and create ultra polished videos, but that maybe don't have as much of an opportunity for you to actually connect with me. So Thank you for being here. I hope you follow. I hope you subscribe to the channel. And I'm really looking forward to connecting with you properly. And let's do this. Let's grow together. I'll see you soon. Bye.